on this video today, I'm going to show you how to make $154 as a beginner with CPA marketing. So this is a simple passive income idea that you can get started even if you have zero skills or zero experience. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. We are going to be using CPA Grip. So CPA Grip is a CPA network that you can join to promote CPA products. So you can create an account wherever you are in the world. It works worldwide. So once you create an account, you can begin to promote products on this platform, and you'll be earning commission anytime you get people to take action on the product that you are promoting. So I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. I'll show you the traffic source, the product that you need to promote. So the first step is that you are going to select a product so that you can promote that product and make money. So you are going to come to this side and click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to click on my offers. So once you click on my offers, what you are going to do is that you are going to select the country that you want to promote the product. So as you can see, there are products here that I can promote, but these products, they have low payout. So you are going to search for a developed country so that you get products that you can get higher payout when you get a conversion. So you are going to come here and then search for a developed country. So you are going to search for Australia. So you are going to type in Australia right here. Once you search for Australia, you can see these are products that you can promote. So when you scroll down, you can see many of them. You can see this one, the payout is $5.99. You can see this one, $1.92, $6.63, and then $2.01. So these are products that you can promote, and you can see that there are products that will even pay you $19.56 when you get a conversion. You can see another one, $20.40 per conversion. So you can see the requirement here. The customer has to submit a credit card before you are paid $20.40. Sometimes it is challenging to get people to submit their credit card details. So you are going to select the product that requires the customer to only submit their emails and zip code. So you can get many people to submit their emails and zip code, and you are going to be earning a commission once they do that. So what we are going to do is that we are going to scroll and then select products that have higher payout. So as you can see, many of them, but remember not to select credit card submit, because if you select those ones, you are not going to get a lot of people to submit their details. You can see them, they are having the higher payout, but you are not going to get a lot of conversions. So you are going to select the product that will give you more conversions. So you are going to scroll down. So when you come in, you can see that this product, the customer is required to submit email and zip code. So once they submit the details, you are going to earn $10.27. So this is a good product that you are going to promote. You can also scroll down and select other products, but we are going to be promoting this product in this video. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on the product. So once you click on the product, you can see that this is your unique affiliate link, and you are supposed to promote this product in only Australia. So you have to promote to people in that country. So this is your unique affiliate link, and you have to promote the product. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on copy link so that you can save this link. So once you copy the link, you are going to open the Google document, and then you are going to paste your link here. So you just type in docs.google.com, and you are going to get a page like this. Once you get a page like this, you are going to click on blank so that you can save your link in this particular document. Now you are going to paste your affiliate link on this particular document. So once you paste your link here, the next thing is that we are now going to begin promoting this link so that you can get people to fill in their details so that you can earn a commission on CPA Grip. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be targeting people from Australia. So I'm going to show you a traffic source that will give you thousands of visits per every 3 days so that you can get more people to click on your affiliate link. So we are going to be using this traffic source to promote our links. This website will give you 1,022 visits every 3 days. So you are going to be using this free traffic source so that you can make money on CPA Grip. And the good news is that all this visit is for free, as you can see it right here. So now what we are going to do is that you are going to create an account on this particular website so that you can begin advertising your link for people to click through and then take the necessary action. So you are going to come here, click on sign up, and then you are going to enter your name, enter your email address. So once you enter your email address, you are going to click on join so that you can get access to this particular website. Once you click on join, you are going to get a verification message, and you are going to click here to verify your email address. So once you click here to verify your email address, you are now going to get access to your free accounts, and you can begin promoting your affiliate link on the website for free. So once you verify your accounts, you are going to log in. Once you log in, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to come here, click on advertising. So you click on that. So once you click on advertising, this is where you are going to promote your affiliate link. So here you are going to paste your affiliate link so that you can begin promoting your link. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to come back to your Google document and copy your affiliate link. So we are going to copy it right here. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to paste it here as your website. So you paste it here. Once you paste it, you are going to click on add a website, and you can see right here, this is where you are going to enter the title of your website. You are also going to enter add line. So you are going to enter the clickable headline so that once people see your ad, they can click through it. So what you are going to do is that you are going to copy the exact title on CPA grip so that you can get people to click through and then sign up for the gift cards, and you'll be earning commission once they submit their details. So once you come to CPA grip, what you are going to do is that you are going to copy the title of the product that you are promoting. So you copy it right here. So you copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to send it to your ad, and you can begin promoting the product. So here you are going to paste the title of your ad right here. Once this is done, the next thing is that you can just give a title. So here you are going to put a title. No one is going to see this particular title. The only title that they will see is the ad line. So you are going to type any name here. So I'm just going to type something like gift cards. So the next thing is that you are going to add another headline here. So here we are going to just type something like get free gift cards now. So as you can see, this is the second ad headline. So once this is done, the next thing is that you are going to select your ad language. So you are going to scroll down and then select English. So as you can see, English is here, so you are going to select that. Once you select that, the next thing is that you are going to choose the country that you are targeting your ad. So we are targeting Australia, so you are going to select that. So you come here and then scroll. As you can see, Australia is here, so you are going to select that. Once you select that, the next thing is that you are going to come here and then select the time that you want your ad to start running. So here we are going to select 11th March. So you select that, and then you are also going to select the end period of your ad. So let me select 24th March. As you can see, that is done. So you are going to scroll down and come to the next part, which is the day that you want your ad to run. So I'm going to select from Sunday to Monday. So Sunday to Monday, and the hours I'm going to select 3 o'clock, and here too I'm going to select 3 o'clock. So as you can see, that is all that you need to do. So once this is done, the next thing is that you are going to click on save, and your ad can start running on this particular website. So as you can see, this is your ad, and it's going to start running in this particular website, and you are going to be getting free traffic to your link. Once you get people to click through your affiliate link, they are going to take the necessary action, and you'll be earning money on CPA group. You can see this is my link that I use to promote my Gumroad products. I also promote my affiliate products here. The name of the traffic source is traffic ad bar. So you can be using this particular website to get more traffic to your website for free. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Once again, thank you for watching. We shall meet in another video.